Welcome to OBD Sync. In this episode we're going through how to program a replacement instrument panel cluster in a Holden CG Captiva. So first off, click the vehicle button and go to the IPC menu. This will then begin loading in the available options for this module to suit this vehicle. Once we're loaded in, we're going to head up and go to the flashing tab along the top. We're going to make sure that we have a battery charger or maintainer fitted, and once we do, we'll go ahead and click the right button. This will then begin downloading the required calibration files to suit this module in this vehicle. Once it's done that, it will then initiate the flashing sequence and finally begin flashing in the calibration. The flashing in this takes roughly 15 to 20 seconds, so it doesn't take too long. That's us actually done now. After that, we'll have a pop-up indicating that the flash is successful. There we go. Go ahead, click OK. Finally, head up to the Learn functions. We'll perform our last task, which is the VIN security link, which only takes a couple seconds to complete. And that's all done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.